Good morning, everybody. Well, as you can see, the sun is coming up. We're a little bit later leaving camp this morning. It is about, there's Penny in our little tent. It is about 7:20, I think. And the reason that I am driving is because we hope to pack up at the end of today. Today is day 10. That's sign language for 10. And the reason we're going to try to pack up today, we'll see how it goes. If there's a lot of traffic and I'm too tired, we won't be able to. But tomorrow morning, there's a slight chance of rain, and it's supposed to be colder tomorrow. Plus, to be honest, it would just be nice to be able to pack up and not have to go back tomorrow morning. So we'll see how it goes. I sure don't want to pack up wet things tomorrow if it does rain, no matter how little it rains tomorrow. So we'll see. But I'm excited. It's been a great show. Day 10. It's a little bittersweet to be driving in for the last day. But let's go get her done. What's for brekkie today, Miss Frugal?
It's a repeat. Sausage and toast.
Woohoo! I'll take it.
And one cinnamon toast.
I'll take it. Bandit and Sammy, what do y'all think? Huh? What do y'all think? They say, yeah, that's what I thought. She says, I want some. I don't think so, baby girl. I'm sorry. She says, oh man, I'm going to leave then. Day 10, we're ready for the people.
Hi, I came back to say hi and goodbye. We're going to hit the road, and I wanted to pick up some more reading books. I finished my first 3. I'm on my second.
Yeah, she's already read 3 of the first batch that she bought. Thank you so much for that.
You. Nice writing.
Yeah, thank you so much. And happy and safe travels
and
to
we'll see you down the road.
Absolutely. Keep on keeping on.
You bet.
What are you two up to today?
We came to say goodbye to you two.
Oh, that's...
We couldn't leave without telling y'all bye.
I know. And I'm going to have to put the camera down and come get a hug. You know that, right? Of course.
That's why we came by.
Thank you, guys. Guys, look what Joan is doing. You are so sweet. So I've got to pack up today. And Grace went by the post office and was going to get me some, what are those called?
Free boxes.
Yeah, free boxes, but what are they called?
Priority.
Yeah, medium flat rate, because they fit perfectly for Joan's rocks, and I use her rocks for paperweights on my books. And she went and got them out of her truck since the post office was closed. And she's taping them up for me. You know I can do that, right?
I want you to see how I do them. The real rock are heavier.
Okay. Jana is visiting with Blaze and her brother Bill. What is for lunch today?
Cheeseburger.
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 No cheeseburger for you.
And chips.
And chips.
Beef chicken.
Oh, you are.
Oh, yeah. Fried chicken. Yeah. That's the best.
Thank you, Froogie. Cheeseburger.
Cheeseburger.
Not for you, Bandit. Not for you. So we've already taken the tent down. And did I film any of that or anything? No, but you guys know what it's like to take a tent down. And Jana wanted to fold it up because she's trying to get it back into the original bag. And it looks like she succeeded. Way to go, Jana.
Like, I don't know. We gotta still get the fly in there too.
Thank you. End of Tyson Wells Celarema 2025. End of day 10. Oh, now to go back and pick up all the stuff that we have packed up. Last year we came back the day after. This year sales were slow enough today that we went ahead and packed up. And I'm really glad we did because it's kind of cloudy outside. And this way we don't have to drive back in the morning. We can do a jammy day if we want to. and I will have all of this stuff to put up. So I'm going to tell these guys to take their time. Hold on, vendors folding up their canopies in the street, and I wanted to let them know that I could wait, but they moved. Everybody was so kind this year. Really enjoyed the atmosphere, and let me show you what all we got to load up. Okay, so we're going to load up the canopy first, and then I'll show y'all the pile. Hold on. Okay, Starlink next. Oh boy, in my bed, you guys, can y'all see that? It is already piled up. Mama's going to have a good time getting ready for bed tonight. All right, there's what's left of 2025. It was a good year.